All right, so we've got this. I'm going to show you guys how to put this thing on your camera. Over here, you're going to see there's a little white tab up here. You may have to use something like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it and I'm going to pull it off like that. All right, so look inside there. You see there's contacts there? Check it out. Contacts there. So if you look, this has like a little channel on it. So you've got to feed it in this way. You see that? Let me show you. See how it is? I'm going to bring this up right in there like this. And there, it's on. It follows me. And this is going to be pointing out the window. And when you're ready to put it on, you're going to pull this red tab off and just smush it up on the window. It's that simple. All right. This is your lens protector up front. We can go ahead and pull that off. Oops, I think I just turned it on. There we go, got it off. And then on the back, you might want to keep this because it gives you, it's got the QR code that you've got to download your app with, okay? And you're gonna need that. Here's your cord, and this, it goes into your cigarette lighter. So to connect this, all right, you've got a USB on top here. So when it's facing out, you're going to go to the right side, and that's where this USB goes in. It's a USB-C. So you're going to go, when this is on your window facing out, the USB-C is on this side. So before you put it up there, you might want to get that in there. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Just like that. And you can see this kind of gets in the way a little bit, but you can get it in. That's it there. Now the other side here, that goes to your camera that's going to be in the back, the back-facing camera. And I don't even know if I'm going to set this up because my back window is, it's all got bad tint on it. But if I have this on my front window, then I just plug this in. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Then afterwards, what you're going to do is you're going to go and you've got to download this app, and then you can have it on your phone and you can have direct connection with your phone. Once we get out in the car, we're just going to stick that right up on the window right here. All right, so here's your camera. I have the mount on it. Now we could pop the mount off like that. It just slides off. I'm going to do that just for demonstration purposes. First of all, I want to show you that it's not connected to anything, so there's no power to this, so it is off. And you want to have it off whenever you're doing anything like pulling the card out. You know what I mean? So I'm going to show you guys how to get the card out. Now this is a micro SD adapter, and it's hard to get your thumb in here. Now if you can get your thumb in. Let me show you. Like this. And push on it, and you may be able to get it to pop out like that. And once you've done that, you can pull it out. Now notice, the camera lens is here, the front logo of the card's here, it's 128 gigs. You want to have the front logo facing the forward part of the camera. This is the back, it's the gold part, that faces you. Then you're going to slide it in like that, and you're going to notice it goes like this. Now if you can't get it in, with your finger, what you might have to do is slide it in like this, and then get something like this is the adapter for this micro SD card. You could take this and push on it and get it in there. Now you can also use this to get it out, right? See that? So that's my little trick that I use for micro SD cards. Because for some reason they make them a little bit tight. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So anyway, that's how that works. And yeah, this is a nice camera, I gotta say. Your micro SD card, if you want to read it on your computer, you're going to need one of these adapters. It fits in this side. I'll show you here. I'll pop it out. Right, I'm going to push on it. It pops out, You're going to notice there's a little lip on the one side of your micro SD card. Let me pop that out of there. So here it is. If you look, see that little lip right there? It's where you can kind of grab it with your fingernail. The way it goes into this adapter is gold facing gold, right? Logos facing logos. So you would just slide it in like this. And make sure you push it all the way in. And then you can slip it into your computer slot, right? So that's how that works. Let me just pop this out. And again, we're going to go back into the camera. So you got to find your port, right? You want your logo facing out, gold facing you, slide it in, smush it. If you can't get it with your fingernail, take your adapter and just push it in, just like that. And that's it. Bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, we're going to show you guys how to download the app for the dash cam, okay? So if you see that QR code, you've got to open your phone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone, to your photo app, and then you're just going to come over it, and you're going to get it to catch that, and then it should open up a little yellow tab there, and you just touch it. And then bam, it takes you to either your Android or your, there it is, look. I'm in the Apple Store. So I'm just going to hit get, double tap here, right? Okay, and now it should load. So this is it right here. And then we can open it up. Terms, and now we've got to do all that. You got to go down here, you got to agree to it. So they're basically stealing all your information. And now we've got to create you got to put your email address in, and then you got to put in a password. So let me go ahead and do that. You guys don't get to see it. All right, once you've done that, it just goes right to here, add device. All right, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull this off, but I'm going to save this. I'm not going to lose it. And I'm going to pop this out. All right, so I've got to get it on this side here. Right? Because this is the USB-C side. So let me get it in there. Okay, that's in. Hopefully I didn't screw up the camera. Okay, look, we got it. All right, we're in. All right, so we definitely want English, right? All right, so this isn't touchscreen, so we've got to do it, I guess, over here. Okay, we got okay. So over here it says okay, so I'm thinking that's what we want. So let's go ahead and do that. And then it's got 4 minutes. I think 4 minutes is cool. Let's just do that. All right, format. Please format the card. Okay, let's do that. I think maybe I've got to go forward over here and hit this check mark and then hit OK. Now I'm formatting the card. So we want to do that. Okay. All right, now it's formatted. So let me set this right here. Let's add device. All right, when using app, allow, add device, dash cam. All right, it's connecting to this. All right, so now it's basically telling me that I've got the best installation position is around there. And then I just got to run the line down to my thing. I get it. Let's go next. All right, Wi-Fi. Select the device Wi-Fi and connect. Okay, connect to Wi-Fi. Why is that doing that? To Wi-Fi. And there it is right here. This is the Wi-Fi. So then you hit that, and then you've got to come on to here, and there's a password. So let me see what it is here. All right, I've got to put it in. It's pretty simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They really don't, I mean, yeah, I'm probably not going to use this, but I'm going to do it anyway. And then let's just go ahead and do it. All right, so now I do believe that we are in. Yes, now we've joined. Okay, so now we can go back to the app, hit it, add device, bam, done. Now look, check it out. Look at, here I am, it's working. So now you just put this on your, you know, in your car, and bam, Bob's your uncle, and you'll be videotaping. And you can save it right on your phone. You know what I mean? So if you look right here, it says download file. Okay, let's download. All right, look at that. I've got all these different files in there. All right, so that's pretty cool. And I mean, it stopped. Okay, that's cool. I guess when I download it, it makes it stop. So let's go look, snapshot, locked, parking, back. All right, so anyway, you can see here, now it's recording again. So let me show you. So here I am, right? And I'm recording with this. So it's working pretty good. I mean, I think we figured it out. And we're on video because that's what we want. So yeah, that's it right there, man. I think we figured out how to do this. Now we just got to go install it in the car. Now we just got to go put it in the car. That's the next step. All right, let's do it. All right, so you want to get this out of here, and you want to clean that one part of the window where you're going to put your thing. All right, and you don't want it too far down because you don't want to obstruct your vision. But you want to have that camera in there, so you, just in case, you know what I mean, jelly beans. So I'm going to get up here, and I'm just going to clean right underneath here. Just get it nice and clean. Right there, I think it's going to be good. Then I get my thing here. So, you know, just get it clean. Just get it nice and clean. And then you can slap your thing up on there. And so this here, what you've got to do is pull this off, just like that, right? And then you're going to smush it up on the window where you cleaned it. Now, before I do that, I think what I want to do is I want to unhook this and plug it into the camera. It follows me so that I, you know, so we've got it ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the right side over here where it says Type C, and I've got to smush that down in there. So let's get that in there. You hear that snap? Now it's ready to go. Now I can go ahead and just push this thing up on there. And I think we should be good. All right, let's give it a shot and see what happens. Woo. So if I put it right here, what do you guys think? Right there is good? All right, let's smush it on. All right, look, I got it. Bam, done. There it is. It's pretty straight. Looks pretty good. We got everything in. All right, and that's pointing forward. Now you can move the camera a little bit so you get a better shot, right? So now I need to plug this into my port down here. So I've got this port. That's my port. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in here, just like that. Trying to film with one hand and pick my nose with the other. All right, so that's in. And you know, this cord, of course, you could hide it, but for just demonstrations purposes right now, I'm just going to put it in there like that. Now we can go ahead and tap on this, open it up. All right, we're in this. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. First, I'm going to turn the car on. You know what I mean, jelly beans? You want the car on. There, look, it just popped on. All right. So there it is. It's doing my car. And over here, look, connect device. It should, oh look, confirm. All right, let's go back. Oh wait, I gotta redo it. So I gotta put the device back in. It's already got the password because we did that earlier. So we just gotta get it connected. Yeah, we're there. Now we can get out of there, go there. There we are. Bam, check it out. All right, that's pretty cool, right? So now let's just go for a little ride. See how we do. All right, so now when you're riding, check it out. You can see what's going on. You can see what's going on here. And so I've got them both hooked up and we're plugged in down here. There we are. You can see it there. All right, so that's pretty much it, man. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Highly recommend getting one of these. Take a look at it. Looks fantastic. Of course, you might want to do a little bit more, you know, hide your cord and all that. But I'm just doing this so you can guys see how it works real quick. And later on, we'll do a little bit better installation. But yeah, that's it right there. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you cool stuff like this. Peace out.